Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Morning Star. This formidable weapon requires careful preparation and execution. You'll need to gather specific components and reach a certain level of proficiency before attempting to acquire it. We'll go through each step, ensuring you have all the information needed to add this incredible item to your arsenal. It's a journey worth taking for its immense power. Before embarking on your quest, gathering the right resources is paramount. You'll need to secure several rare crafting components, often found in challenging environments. Additionally, your character must possess sufficient strength and experience, typically around level 35, to overcome the obstacles ahead. Don't forget to save up some gold for any unforeseen expenses or crucial purchases. Once prepared, your next step is to pinpoint the exact location where the Morning Star awaits. This often involves venturing into perilous territories, such as the Whispering Peaks. Within these lands, a specific landmark, perhaps a hidden altar or a forgotten shrine, holds the key. Be ready to face a formidable guardian or solve an intricate riddle to proceed. The final stage involves a direct confrontation or intellectual challenge. Upon overcoming this hurdle, you must present your gathered rare materials at the designated altar. A brief ritual, perhaps involving activating an ancient mechanism, will then commence. With these steps completed, the legendary Morning Star will be yours, ready to unleash its devastating power in your adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.